Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Thursday to you. Another day in the market. Let's get it in. I'm going to hand it over to the bell. See, that is red. That is great. Portfolio value at 144,941 bucks. Buying power $177,242.97. That's high right there because I got margin. I actually got probably 6 grand with $5,692.52 in there of my own money. But I got all that access to margin if I wanted to take it, which I won't. At least I think that's how it is. But my margin is on just in case I needed it. But not trying to use it. I just reinvest some more money. But the interest rate for margin on Robinhood is like 5% or 5.5 or something. It is cheap. I had somebody leaving a comment on how I got my portfolio so high. I'm gonna do a video on there. We got so much money in it. I've only been trading for this will be 5 years next month, and I already achieved my goal of making my $3,000 a month in dividends. Actually, I'm well surpassed that in the $4,000 range, almost 5. Want to finish by 6 by the end of the year. So if y'all want to achieve that, well, not achieve that, but have your own goal. You start out at $500 or $1,000 a year or something. Not a year, but a month. Let's ride. But y'all subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel. Also, we about to go give ourselves a raise. This is where the millionaires are made, man. Y'all got to take advantage of these opportunities, especially when these pullbacks happen. And if you want to be a trader that can just trade when just cash up all year, then when the pullbacks happen, you just reinvest your dividends. Then you can do that too. But if you watch my channel, there's always a bear market somewhere, and I always find them. So just follow me, man. All right, get your pencils and papers ready. Let's go. About to go buy some dividend stocks. I'm gonna go with OXLC. Cannot trade in this. Not in Robinhood. Got to get you a Webull or a Charles Schwab or something else. All right, OXLC pays 9 cents a share a month. Waiting on my little internet to catch up. Not the internet, this tablet sometimes I think be lagging, but we're gonna get on through it, man. Y'all just bear with it, brother. All right, $5.05 is that. Like, you got to take advantage of these. It's got a 52-week low of $4.95. They got high of 578 P ratio 6.2 undervalued play. You collect that juicy 9 cents a share. And if you want to swing trade something at 570, don't sell it all. If you want to scalp profits, whatever you up, take that, leave the rest for the dividend. All right, let's get into our stuff we can trade in this one. We're going with RYLD. I picked up 3 shares at $15.97 and another 2 shares at another price. Now it's at $16.02. Got down today to $15.97. Put your buy orders in at that. I put mine in for another 3 shares at $15.97. I'm gonna buy 3 shares every day at the 16 and under price. I'm gonna get me $5 worth right now at this. This one you can also swing trade above the 1660-ish range. It's got a 52-week high of $16.92. This will get back to 16. My favorite number is 1668 on it. We're gonna go SPYT. Gonna go with SPIT. Down $18.85, pay 33 cents a share a month. Definitely a one to buy. Get 10 bucks a SPIT today at this price. Don't want to load up on nothing. Just seeing the article about the tariffs. He about to start on Canada. Think he gonna double up on China and do something else with Mexico. So it's about to get ugly. Don't know how long gonna stay down. So try to stretch your money out. Try to find you a side hustle. Go deliver some pizzas. Do Uber Eats. Do something where you can get some cash to put into this market. I guarantee and I promise you, you'll be thankful for it later. Viatris had bad earnings. Got down to $8.77. I put a buy order in for $8.77 for 10 shares. But I'm going to still get some right now. At $9.54, I got $3 earlier. I'm just going to get another one while I'm online. With y'all, dollars cost average on in. This does pay a nice dividend. This is going to be probably not bad. Adding this to the list. We're going to go ABR. Arbor Realty Trust. Think not last week, the week before last, this was down. I caught some shares at 12 bucks. 15.94 is the 52-week low. The high 11.43 is the 52-week low. Sorry. I'm gonna see what did I buy these at. I caught some at 11.92, 11.87s. Hold on one second. What I got pending right now? I don't have any buys pending. I like this at 12 and under. So I'm gonna hit another one at 11.92. This trades 24 hours. This is a REIT. So y'all want to buy some real estate, you can buy this one. Got a dividend yield. P ratio is a 10, undervalued. 52 high, 15.94, so upside about $3.70. 14.03% dividend yield. And never had any dividend cuts. That's Arbor Beatrice Spit. Gonna go ULTY. No, we're not loading up on this. I'm just go get your little $3 worth. This is for cash flow. This is for income. You might lose some price appreciation, but it's gonna kick the dividends out. One thing about it, when you tired of it, just continue to reinvest the dividends. But once you have this for at least 2 years plus, this gonna pay you your money back plus. So if you put $100 in it, and if you get down 25 or 50, as long as you make your $100 back, $100 plus back in dividends over the years, you still won. So the only way you win with these, you're gonna have to look at your return value. You're gonna have to consider the dividends compared to your price depreciation. All right, SBSW, $3.19. I'm upside down in this one. I'm swing trading this at $4 and above. I'm trying to hold it to $4.50. Take advantage of this $3.19. Get 2 shares at this price. This when everybody running and dump it. This is when you want to come in and buy it. This is a precious metal mining company. If I was y'all, I'd stay out of it unless you just looking to swing trade. You just a trader. That is one to trade. XYLD down to $5. Well, not I'm talking about $5. I'm about to buy $5. 41,668. Add on some of that for that monthly dividend. That's the brother of QYLD and RYLD. Got YBit. Bitcoin down, I think at like 85,000 or something. So this one right here is coming down too. 10.13 a day for the low. Go get $3 worth. Like I said, ain't loading up on nothing. It come back down some more, I buy some. Another $3 worth. TSLY. Tesla is getting his butt whipped. Think it's around about the 250-ish range. So, of course, this is going to be down. Also, made a new 52-week low at 932. I brought a share the other day. That's why I say do not load up on it. Because it's creating a new floor. But it's busting through one of the floors and meeting another one. So, it's TSLY, YMAX, YMAX, and YMAG. These also coming down. I think YMAX made a new 52-week low today at $14.92. Yep, I get a share every day at the most. If you're gonna do it, but nothing wrong with getting these fractional shares. Do that and let it be for now. YMAG, but like I said, I get a whole share every day. That'll be the most. So if you like getting 5 shares every day or something like that, I just get a share every day. Because like I said, this market kind of crazy now. YMAG, new 52-week low today. Also, 1662. $5 worth. These gonna always be in style because they pay out weekly. QDTE. Got QDTE and XDTE. Alright, these coming down also. Take advantage of these. $5. Dollar cost average on in. Just lowering your average cost. Ride it on down. XDTE. Weekly payers. Or you can just go in at once. Now I'm back, got XDTE. Now see if you want to go in and drop like 50 grand because you want them dividends every week. You can drop that lump sum and just reinvest the dividends. Do not deploy it into any new powder in it. Let them dividends go to work. Put that money to work in that play and reinvest them every week. For y'all that do have that lump sum that want to retire early, you can drop them dividends. Just like me, I'm trying to get 6 grand a month. The reason I want 6 because I'm gonna take 4 just in case I wanted to. That's $1,000 a week, and then I can reinvest the other 2. All right, XDTE. Know we're going to get $5 more of this. It comes down, I get another $5. I'm buying this in increments of 5. AMDY. All these the yield maxes. I'm buying these in $3 and $5 increments. Fractional shares. Come down smoking. $3, another 3, another 3. They ain't loading up on nothing. AMD is getting his butt whipped too. I brought some of that earlier. I'm only trading in this portfolio here. Not buying no yield maxes in my Weeble. I'm loading up on OXLC. And those got SCHG. It's the large cap, like the S&P 500, Charles Schwab, the version. Definitely good time to get some of this. For the long haul, take advantage of this 30 and under. And just keep it, get everything you can under 30. And if you want to just let it ride, let it ride. USOI, monthly payer. If y'all been watching my videos, you been hearing me talk about this one. This covered calls on oil. We're going to ride this play up. On yesterday, it was down to $60.30. But still, at these prices, you cannot beat these prices. $10 worth. Really about to get 20. So this about to go on a ride. I need to lower my average cost in this one. I'm going to get it but around about the $65 range. So that's what I'm doing with USOI. But if y'all coming in at that fresh price being in the 60s, you are winning. USOI. I'm gonna go SCHD just to check this out. So SCHG, them two you could pair together. Two nice ones. SCHD like it's doing good. I'm gonna go TOPT. This is a new one I like. The top 20 stocks in the S&P 500. Just 20, not the 500. You just got the top 20. $5 of this every day. Now, what mine want me about 100 shares of this one. So, I hope this market stay down for a couple months, to be honest. I'm about to come up. And I hope y'all do the same. All right, growth stocks. Go with AMD. AMD is down. Just to show you right there, you need to jump on that. Buy that and hold it. Nvidia had good earnings. And I'm gonna show you TSLA. So y'all that want to swing trade or grow your money quick, take advantage of this here too. All right, that's everything on my list. Let's go look through. Let's go through, make sure we ain't leave nothing. MPW, Medical Properties Trust had good earnings, so they up. Leggett and Platt down another 1.54%. Let me go get some more of this. The dollar cost average on down in it. Wine Electric still not in my buy range. TCPC had bad earnings. That's a good price for y'all to get in. The people that want to get into the BlackRock. I got $3 worth of this earlier today. It's another one. 14.56% yield. $727 million market cap. 52-week low 771. This could probably come back down, but it's not a bad level to start nibbling at it. Probably ain't gonna come back down to that $7 mark though, just being honest. Pets down 2.45%. I want that at the $4 range for me to even entertain it. HUN, want that to come down some more. Let me make sure, see what this is at, like 481. It was playing above the $5 mark. I haven't brought in this in a while. I'm gonna wait for it to get at the 450 range and under. BGS Foods had good earnings, went up for that day. Now it look like it's coming back down. Get some of that. Add BGS on it. I need to come down to this one, take advantage of those dips. Oh, boom, 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 boom. IMKTA, this angle's down another 1.81%. Stay out of this one. This one I'm going to trade myself up out of too, just taking advantage of this dip. It's got a 52-week high of $82. So when they get above that 75, I'm going to let it rip. But I just need to lower my average cost for now. I pair these with them yield maxes. Make sure I get a dividend with it. But this is just a growth stock. This is a grocery store. We got our AMDY, TSLY, Misty. Got to get that one. That's what I'm tripping on with missing out on. Need to give me another share. 2019. Thought about getting $10 worth. That's why I was hesitant a little bit. But this got a 52-week low of like 1880 something. So if we get in that range, I probably will then. AIYY is one I like. I'm going to get one of these every day. It's options on artificial intelligence. It's cheap. That's why I'm doing it. 554. Keep making a new 52-week low. Like I said, it's $5. This going to do a reverse stock split. I would take the risk because I want the dividend. So I get me 100 shares. That's what I'm trying to do. That's why I'm going in on it. But like I said, don't load up on nothing because they making new 52-week lows. We got YBit, NVDY. I brought a little bit of that, like $3 worth. Nvidia had good earnings. That does options on Nvidia. Wonder why that's down, because that's kind of crazy being that they had good earnings, but this market is crazy. I'm going to go GOOY, options on Google. Get $5 of that. Ooh. And we got to get this last one here, York Water. Down, what, 5.68% today. Take advantage of this. Y'all know water is the new liquid gold. All right, got York Water. I'm at 3203, 3154. Show y'all this got a 52-week low 29.86 with a high 41.96, P/E ratio 22.5. This does hike its dividend every year. Dividend is 2.56%. Like I say, this is a water play. So I'm just dollar cost averaging this one. I had this on $1 a day daily. That's why my average cost is kind of high, even though the market down. But just dollar cost averaging in on it. This is a long-term play. This is a growth company, only $453 million market cap, but gonna ride it out with it. That's it. Y'all make sure y'all watch my market updates. Last night I ended up doing it late, but I'm trying to get better with that. Do it as soon as I get in the house. But Enjoy your day. Go get your money.